Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this update we are going to talk about Cardano and see what is happening in here. And if you remember, in the previous update we talked about the bullish scenario suggesting this is 5 wave up off of the lowest low into a wave 1, and then this whole move down is a correction for wave 2. And I was saying if we want to be optimistic in ADA, then we need to see a move up coming soon into a wave 3, and then corrective movement for 4, another move up into wave 5. Now this was our bullish possibility, and I am still kind of liking this thing. And I think if tomorrow markets are going to open up green, we can see another move on the upside and do something like this. And I want to see ADA getting back above this important level, which the higher band of it is somewhere around 84.5 cents. Now, I think it's only fair to talk about also the bearish scenario suggesting maybe in Cardano we are going to have a move down. And I think our best shot at finding a bearish pattern in here in terms of Elliott waves is if we say this whole move is a triangle. And I am assuming in here that we are not going to, for example, get a move up and take all these highs. Now let's go around here. Okay, you see, in a triangle structure A, B, C, D, E, we must be able to find ABCs for the subwaves in every single wave of our triangle. ABC down into B, ABC into C, ABC down into D, and this is our final ABC zigzag on the upside into our E leg. Now let's go on the live chart and see can we identify the proper subwaves or not. And bear with me because finding the subwaves for a triangle is a little bit tricky in here. I'm gonna say that from here to about this point, I still believe this is a 5 wave up now into a wave A, and then from this point to about here, we are having a correction for wave B, and this is another move up into our C leg. And basically we are having an ABC with a truncated C wave. I know they are quite rare, but it is possible to have something like this. Followed by that, I'm gonna argue this is another ABC down, and I think I can argue this fairly easily. And this is another A corrective movement for wave B to about here, and then one more move up into our C leg. Now, so far we can say in Cardano, this is A, this is B, C, and the current move down might be a zigzag into wave D, and we're gonna have another move up into our E leg. And in this move on the upside, we do not expect, if this scenario is in play, Cardano to take these highs right in here about, let's say, 76.5 cents. If we do that, that's going to be a very different story, and this scenario is going to get invalidated. Now, if this possibility is happening at the moment in ADA, then okay, what's going to happen after this is over? We are most likely going to have another move down. However, this for me is definitely not a short opportunity. Why is that? Because triangles, if they happen in an impulsive structure down, they are going to be into a wave 4, which means this might be kind of a last move down, at least in the short term. And what are we going to have after this final move down? Probably a move on the upside. And if I'm going to go short in here in Cardano, I'm probably going to get my stop loss hit and lose a bit of money. So in Cardano, so far we said we may have either a 1 and 2 structure or maybe a triangle, and I think we are going to have our answer soon. And for now, I do like, honestly, the bullish scenario a bit more. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in ADA. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.